Two excellent offers to beat online market. One, 7 days package with premium hotels and premium houseboat experience, vehicle at disposal, only 17,500. From 17,500, you will get 2,000 rupees per person discount and 5,000 rupees cashback. Second option, same 7 days package, 3-star option with AC Deluxe houseboat experience, vehicle at disposal, only 13,300. From that, you'll get 1,500 discount per person and 5,000 rupees cashback. We are the best supporters for offline B2B market to beat online. NB for holidays from Kerala, never before holidays. We do Kerala, South India, Sri Lanka and Andaman. See you soon.